Hello everyone, welcome to Neeta's Home Food. Today's recipe is a very popular tea time snack masala vadai, that is channa dal vada. Many at times we tend to buy it from outside rather making it home because it's a standard problem for all the moms who make it that they can't have it hot, and by the time we sit down to enjoy some vadas it won't be fresh, hot and crispy. So let's go to my kitchen. I have an answer for all these, but before that, subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet and turn on the notification bell for instant updates. The preparations for masala vadai is very simple. You just need 2 cups of channa dal, wash it well and soak it for an hour. Here are the ingredients that you need. Chop 1 big red onion, few curry leaves and a bunch of coriander leaves, and 2 spoons of fennel seeds, 4 cloves of garlic, red chilies and salt as per your taste. And this is the soaked channa dal. You have to drain it out without a drop of water left. And in a blender, grind together the channa dal, red chilies, garlic, fennel seeds and salt. You don't have to add even a single drop of water. Drain it off fully. Do them in batches. Just pulse the blender. It has to be coarse and rough, not a smooth paste. This is the main secret behind your vada staying crisp for longer time. I have also tested by making the paste so fine and smooth, but it didn't stay crisp for longer. Here it is. It has to be coarse like this, not smooth. And look at it, how thick it is. It shouldn't be watery, so don't add a bit of water. Now add in the chopped onion, coriander leaves and curry leaves and give it a good mix. Check out the seasoning and add salt if needed. Wet your hand well. You don't have to apply oil. You can just wet your hand and make small dumplings and lay them flat on your hand. Press it, seal the edges. And fry it in hot oil. Fry them on both sides until they are golden brown and drain it on a paper towel and it's ready to be served. Masala vadai can be served by itself with hot tea, or you can serve it with tomato chutney. If you follow these simple steps like grinding them coarse and with appropriate ingredients, you'll be complimented with the best masala vadai ever. And for the tomato chutney, check out my channel. Try this recipe and send me your feedback at neetuhf@gmail.com. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more recipes coming up. Thanks for watching.